To get started with Rock IQ, one can access level either by admin login that gives full system access and monitoring, or by worker login that gives special training and safety updates. Let's get started with the admin login. This is the admin dashboard, which provides a quick overview of overall mine safety. At the top, you can see key metrics like number of active workers, the current safety score, and the number of active alerts. Below this, there is safety alert dashboard, which give real-time insight into geological and environmental hazards. For example, here we can see critical rockfall risk due to a steep slope, and another alert showing high pit mine caused by soil composition. This helps safety managers instantly identify and prioritize the most urgent threats. The next part is the live alert. This is the live safety alert dashboard, where all incident monitored in real time. At the top, you can see a quick summary of critical errors shown in red, and how much moderate alerts and how much resolved today, and the average response time. Below that, active alerts are listed with full details. For example, here we have a critical rockfall detection in Cobra Mine Sector 3, showing when it occurred, the exact location, and the action taken. From this screen, admin can quickly overview details and mark incident as resolved, ensuring rapid and efficient safety management. Let's then come to the community section, where one can engage with the members, send alerts, or either type any message they want to. Let's come to the live analysis part. This is our 3D analysis section, where our AI-powered system visualizes geographical risk in real time using digital twin of terrain. The system highlights slope angles, rainfall patterns, elevation data, allowing us to pinpoint potential rockfall zones. Let's have a view of DEM model. This is our rockfall DEM model. Here we have interactive 3D rockfall risk map with attributes. Let's have a look. Now one can see at the top of that rock, here, everything is shown in X, Y. X represent longitude, Y represent latitude, elevation, risk category, slope, rainfall, soil type, livelihood, industrial activities, all are shown in this 3D visualization. And one can also see the heat map related to it. Let's get overview of the prediction using the ML models we have done. This is the training panel, where we have put the browser file in it. And the model we have trained is random forest, gradient boosting, linear regression, SVM. And here I will put the JSON file. Let's do the prediction by the linear regression that gives the prediction of 0.44, 44% accuracy. Let's select the model random forest to predict the data. That gives us the prediction of 0.54. That gives the prediction of this. Here we have the query knowledge based. Now here we have seen the DEM and the ML model prediction. We have the slope, stability, risk index, and environment, and AI analysis result and geological intelligence. Let's have a look to Rock IQ through the workers login. This is the worker dashboard, your personal safety training and community hub. This page provides a quick comprehensive snapshot of worker status, starting with key metrics at the top. 75% of training progress, and outstanding 96.8 safety score, messages, and how much are logged towards our training. The current training progress section clearly lists modules showing 3 sections are completed, and gas detection procedure is in progress, with overall progress bar confirming the 75% completion. Finally, the recent actives the worker informed with live updates, including a new message in the community chat, a notification of training modules with scores, immediate visibility of the safety alerts. Here we have the community section, where worker can interact with each other, send alerts, as well as type their messages. This page, the AR/VR training room, serves as the central hub for worker safety education, providing at a glance view of training progress and completed modules. The R training progress section at the top clearly displays key metrics like 3 modules are completed, 96.2% average score, and total training time. Below this, summary individual modules like using protective gears, emergency evacuation drill, showing a complete status, demonstrating the system of blend of practical, augmented reality experiences, and essential video-based instruction to ensure full training and safety aware workforces. Here we have the alert section that tells about the safety alerts. The active alerts is in the rockfall detection in Cobra Mine Sector 3, where it should be avoided, and what should be avoided, what should be increased, and the recent safety updates, what is completed, what is resolved, what is in the progress. And we have given the emergency contact the worker can contact in the emergency.